Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I personally love dosas and I've made several varieties of dosas earlier. And today I'm going to share a very exciting dosa recipe with you guys. This is egg dosa and I'm going to make a special spicy red chutney for this one. I can't wait to share it with you, so let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients ready here. We first have to grind the spicy garlic chutney for this recipe. I soaked about 20 red chillies in water for about 1 hour. Now I'm transferring the soaked red chillies to the mixer jar. To this, add about 12 garlic cloves. Now add about 15 small onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, about 4 to 5 tamarind bits for the sourness, and add the water used to soak the red chillies to the mixer jar. Grind them all once. The paste is still coarse, so add a little more water and grind it all to a nice smooth paste. Once this is smooth and nice, keep it aside in a bowl. Now for the tempering to the chutney, add 3 teaspoons of oil to a pan. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and add about half teaspoon of cumin seeds too. After the mustard seed starts splattering, transfer the prepared chutney to the pan and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes to let the raw smell go. Now keep the spicy garlic chutney aside. Take a separate bowl and crack open an egg. Whisk it nicely and keep it aside. All the required elements are ready. So now heat a tawa, pour some dosa batter onto the tawa and gently spread it out. Now this is homemade dosa batter. If you want to know how to prepare perfect dosa batter at home, I will give you some links in the description. Do check them out. After you spread the dosa batter, maintain the flame on medium and apply some ghee on the edges. You can also use oil instead of ghee if you want, so both are fine. I personally love ghee roast dosa, so I'm applying ghee all over the dosa here. Now I have taken about a tablespoon of spicy garlic chutney and I'm spreading it on the dosa. If you cannot tolerate this much of heat, you can reduce the quantity of red chutney on dosas. You need to spread the chutney all across the dosa. Only then you will be able to enjoy the nice garlic flavor. Let the dosa cook on one side. Now shift the flame to medium and pour the whisked egg on the dosa. Spread the egg evenly on all sides. Since I haven't added any seasoning to the egg, I'm sprinkling a little bit of salt and a little pepper powder on it here. This is optional, and for additional taste, I'm also adding very finely cut up onions. Make sure you cut up the onions nice and fine to get the best taste. Lastly, add finely chopped coriander leaves and sprinkle some ghee again. Once the dosa is cooked nicely on one side, flip it to the other side and gently press it in. Maintain the flame on medium and cook the dosa on both sides. The dosa gets burnt when you cook it on high flame. Now I'm flipping it back and folding it in the middle. That's it. Our spicy egg dosa is ready to be served nice and hot. It is very tasty and you can have it with any chutney of your choice. Now repeat the same process with the leftover batter as well. You can also cut the dosa into small portions like this to serve. I will give you a couple of links to the chutney recipes in the description. Do check them out. Superb combination. Wow, that egg dosa was absolutely delicious. I enjoyed it. Now this is an exotic dosa recipe that you can try for breakfast or even dinners. And if you're having special get-togethers or any special occasions at home, I highly recommend you try this one because everybody is going to absolutely love it. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.